Welcome to the Cafe Ex Machina channel. Today I will show you how to change the engine oil and oil filter on the Ducati Scrambler 800. Start by removing the lower section of the exhaust pipe. I use a hook when removing the springs. You do not have to remove this spring, but it makes removing the lower section of the exhaust pipe easier. Tap the exhaust pipe gently with a rubber mallet while wiggling it carefully. After a moment, the exhaust pipe comes off its connections. Next, remove the oil filter. I have an old Ducati-specific filter wrench, but it does not fit these modern filters very well. I let the oil drain at its own pace. I am in no hurry. Remove the filter, drain it completely, place it in a plastic bag, and take it to an oil waste collection point. Remove the drain plug with gasket from the oil sump and allow the oil to drain off. Check the magnetic drain plug. No larger metal fragments were found. Remove the outer plug of mesh filter. Remove the mesh filter. Inspect the mesh filter for any large metal fragments or other foreign debris, such as gasket sealant. No problems, let us put it back. The tightening torque for the mesh filter is 42 Newton meters. Install the outer plug and tighten it to 42 Newton meters. The Ducati oil filter is inexpensive, so why invite trouble for yourself by opting for a filter that is €4 cheaper? I always use the Ducati OEM filter. Before installation, lubricate the filter's sealing surface. Screw the filter in place by hand. If you do not have a torque wrench, tighten the filter by hand as firmly as you can. Hand tightening is sufficient. Do not use a tool to tighten it. I recommend buying a torque wrench. Tighten the filter to 11 Newton meters using a torque wrench. Screw the drain plug into place by hand. And tighten it to 20 Newton meters using a torque wrench. Open the oil filler cap. The oil capacity is 3.7 liters, so you need 3.7 jugs of 10W40 fully synthetic oil. I clean the engine of oil with isopropanol. It removes oil effectively, but does not damage the painted surface. I reinstall the exhaust pipe. The POC tool torque wrench also works on motorcycles. Tapping with a rubber mallet makes installing the exhaust pipe easier. This Scrambler is ready for its first start in 5 years. Start the motorcycle and I'll watch the instrument panel to make sure the oil pressure light goes off. I check to make sure there are no oil leaks. Everything seems to be okay. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to the channel.